First things first, I appreciate your support. So I know you've been blaming your house help, the nanny, about missing socks, missing handkerchief. You think they steal from you. This is the thief. The washing machine has been stealing all your socks. And when it gets to this, you'll have to call in a technician to open the entire drum. So stop blaming the house nanny. Stop blaming the house help. Get a washing machine bag. Remove small garments from other clothes before you do laundry. If you don't do that, then the machine will continue stealing the small garments from you, and it will be expensive to repair. It will be expensive because you have to call in a technician to open the whole machine. If you are unlucky, the socks might even end up messing up the spider. If it gets to the drain filter, well and good. But now depends, because the worst thing that can happen is the socks gets to the filter, then it gets stuck to the propeller. The propeller is the one on the drain pump, so the machine won't pump out water. So the machine won't drain water, but when it comes to worse, you'll have to replace the drain pump. Why? Because the propeller becomes loose and then it gets out. If that happens, now you'll have to spend more. So when you're doing laundry, ensure small garments are washed separately. You can hand wash or get a washing machine bag. It's that simple. If you don't do that, with the current models, like this is a Samsung, the gap between the rubber and the metallic drum is too wide. So those small garments will pass to the drum. So don't play yourself. These are the basics, things you need to consider before doing laundry. For more, I'll advise you more on how to take good care of your machine so that it can be efficient and give you good service. Please like our content. We just started. We'll be sharing some good content that will help you. We are based in Nairobi, Kenya, so you can give us a call for same day repair. Love you guys.